some more problems on integrals from the same exercise. Okay, let's start with first one. So we have to find integral of x minus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to x. Now what we can do is we can use product rule, or we can multiply this first and then integrate. So let's first multiply this and then integrate. So this first bracket I am multiplying with x plus 2, and then again this minus 1 we have to again multiply with x plus 2. Okay, so x into x, x square, plus x into 2, 2x, minus 1 into x, x, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 with respect to x. So we can even write this as x square plus 2x minus x is plus x minus 2 with respect to x. Now it is simplified, so we can integrate this. So integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus integral of x is x square by 2 minus 2 integral of 1 is x plus constant. So integral of this function is x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 minus 2x plus constant. Second problem. So here we have to find integral of x into x plus 2 into x plus 3 with respect to x. Again we will simplify this and then integrate. So let's first multiply this two bracket and the resultant bracket with the third bracket. So x into x, x square plus x into 2, 2x. Multiply with the third bracket. So first x square with the bracket and then 2x with the same bracket. So x square into x, x cube plus 3x square plus 2x into x, 2x square plus 2x into 3 is 6x with respect to x. So we can again write this as x cube, 3x square plus 2x square, 5x square plus 6x with respect to x. So here this is integral of x cube with respect to x, 5 is a constant, integral of x square plus 6 is a constant, integral of x. And we know that integral of x cube is 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 5 is a constant, integral of x square 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 6, power is 1. So this is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus constant. So this can be written as x raised to power 4 by 4 plus 5 times x cube by 3 plus 6 times x square by 2 plus constant. We can cancel this. We can again write this as x raised to power 4 by 4 plus 5 times x cube by 3 plus 3 times x square by 2 plus constant. So this is the integral of the given function. Next question, third question. What is given is x plus 1 into x minus 4 divided by root of x dx. Let's simplify this. Let's multiply this first. So x into x, x square minus 4x plus x minus 4 by root x with respect to x. So we can write this as x square minus 4x plus x is 3x minus 4 by root x with respect to x. Again we can write this as x square by x half, root x is nothing but x half, minus 3x by x half 4 times by x half. Integral of this with respect to x. Now 2 minus half. Okay. Further we can write this as 2 minus half, x half, sorry, x square, and this will go up, so it will be x raised to power minus half. So we can write this as 2 minus half. Minus 3 is a constant, this is 1, and if I am taking this up, it is minus half. Let me write this as also minus half. If I am taking this up, it becomes x raised to power minus half. Minus 4, again I am taking this up, so it will be minus half with respect to x. Now we know that a raised to power m and a raised to power n can be written as a raised to power m plus n. Similarly, suppose we have a raised to power m into a raised to power minus n can be written as a raised to power m minus n. Okay. So this x square into x raised to power minus half can be written as 2 minus half minus, again this can be written as x raised to power 1 minus half, and this will remain as it is. So what is 2 minus half? We can write this as 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 times x, 2 minus 1 by 2, this will remain as it is. Integral of function with respect to x. So 4 minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 3 times 1 by 2 minus 4 times minus half with respect to x. Now we know that integral of x raised to power n is x raised to power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. So integral of x raised to power 3 by 2 is x raised to power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 is a constant, half plus 1 by half plus 1 minus 4 times x raised to power, here we have x, minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus constant. So this can be written as 3 plus 2 by 2 by 3 plus 2 by 2 minus 3 into x raised to power 1 plus 2 by 2 upon 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 4 x raised to power minus 1 plus 2 by 2 upon minus 1 plus 2 by 2, okay, plus constant. Further we can write this as x raised to power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 minus 3 x raised to power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 4 times x raised to power half minus 1 plus 2 is 1 by 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. So this is the integral of the given function. Now fourth question, integral of x cube minus 2 by x square with respect to x. So we can write this as x cube by x square minus integral of 2 by x square with respect to x. Now this 2 will cancel this, so remaining is x dx minus 2. This x square we can take it up, so it will be integral of minus 2 with respect to x. And we know that integral of x raised to power 1 is x raised to power 1 plus 1 n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 2 as it is x raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus constant. Further we can write this as x square by 2 minus 2 times x minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. Now this minus minus can be written as plus, so we can further write this as x square by 2 plus 2 times x inverse plus c, or we can again write this as x square by 2 plus 2 times, 2 by x is x inverse, I am taking it down, so it will be x, so 2 by x plus c. So this is the integral of the function x cube minus 2 by x square. Now fifth question, integral of 5x raised to power 4 plus 12 times x cube plus 7 times x square divided by x square plus x with respect to x. Now what we can do is we can take x square common from here, so I am taking x square common. So if I am taking x square common, remaining is 5 times x square plus 12 times x plus 7, and here we have x square plus x. So from here also we can take x common, so remaining is x plus 1, right, and this is with respect to x. Let's simplify this. So we have 5x square plus 12x plus 7. So if we factorize this, well, let's find roots of this using quadratic formula. So x is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2 times A. Okay. So what is our B? B is 12, A is 5, C is 7. So minus 12 plus or minus B square, that is 144 minus 4 into 5 into 7, which is 140, divided by 2 times A, so 2 times 5. So here we have minus 12 plus or minus root of 4 by 10. So minus 12 plus or minus 2 by 10. Okay. So what will be our value of x? X is minus 12 plus 2 by 10, or x can be minus 12 minus 2 by 10. So value of x is minus 10 by 10, okay, or minus 14 by 10. So value of x is minus 1 or x is minus 1.4. So we can write this as x plus 1 and x plus 1.4. Okay. Or you can keep it as as it is. You can keep this as 14 by 10. So we can write this as x plus 1 10x plus 14. Okay. Here x plus 1 as it is, and this will be 10x plus 14. So instead of this equation, okay, we can replace it by x plus 1 into 10x plus 14. So this x square as it is, instead of this I am replacing it by x plus 1 10x plus 14. X plus 1 10x plus 14 divided by x into x plus 1. So this one x will get cancelled here, x plus 1 will get cancelled here. So what is remaining? Remaining is x times 10x plus 14 with respect to x. Further we can multiply this, so it can be written as 10x square plus 14x and with respect to x. Now 10 is a constant, integral of x square with respect to x. 14 is a constant, integral of x with respect to x. Again same formula, integral of x square is x, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 14 as it is, integral of x is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus constant as power of x is 1. So this is 10 x cube by 3 plus 14 x square by 2 plus c. We can keep as it is, or we can simplify this. So it can be written as 10 x cube by 3 plus 7 x square plus c. So this is the required integral. Now last problem. The sixth problem is integral of 2x5 minus 5 times x raised to power 4 minus 3 times x cube by x square minus 3x with respect to x. So here we can take cube common, x cube common. So if I am taking x cube common, remaining is 2 times x square minus 5 times x minus 3 by, again from here I can take x common, so x minus 3, right, with respect to x. Now again this is a quadratic equation, we can find roots of this quadratic equation. So let's find roots of this quadratic equation. So what is the equation? Equation is 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. So a is 2, b is minus 5, c is minus 3, right. What is x? X is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. So minus b minus 5 plus or minus b square 25 minus 4ac. So plus 24 divided by 2 times a, 2 times 2. Okay. So this minus minus will become plus, plus or minus root 49 divided by 4. Now root 49 is 7, so this will be plus or minus 7 by 4. So value of x is 5 plus 7 by 4, or value of x is 5 minus 7 by 4. Okay. So this is 12 by 4 or minus 2 by 4. So it is 3 or minus half. So we can write our equation as x minus 3 into x plus 1 by 2 or x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So, instead of this quadratic equation, now let us replace it by x minus 3 2x plus 1. So, instead of this, now we are replacing it by x minus 3 2x plus 1. So, integral x cube x minus 3 2x plus 1 divided by x into x minus 3 with respect to x. So, this will get cancelled, this x will get cancelled, remaining is x square. So, what is remaining is integral of x square 2x plus 1 with respect to x. Integral of x square 2x plus 1 with respect to x. So, further we can simplify this as 2x cube plus x square. So, 2 is a constant, integral of x cube with respect to x plus integral of x square with respect to x. 2 as it is, this will be 4 by 4 plus x cube by 3 plus c. Can cancel this. So, we can write this as x raised to power 4 by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus constant. So, this is the integral of this function. So, what we are doing is, we are trying to simplify this. If we are getting quadratic equation, we are trying to find roots of it and write it in terms of roots, and then cancel whatever is possible, and then find the integral of the equation.